what do we have here? A nice 14-inch Sport Flare Klock Werks windshield we're gonna install today on my Road Glide. Dark smoke, y'all. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is only a little bit higher than the other one. It's got a few inches on it there, but if you look, this is where the stock one stops right here, and the 14-inch Sport Flare comes up here. It has this flare, and it looks mean, y'all. It looks super mean, still super sporty. I like the 14-inch Klock Werks Sport Flare better than the stock. Stock is here, 14-inch Sport Flare here. Let's put the stock one back on so y'all get another idea. We want to show this to you really good of what's going on. It's just much more. Look, this much more, people. See this? Just this much more, but the flare's kicking up. And when you sit on the bike, you can see, I can actually see straight over this. I'm roughly 5'11". I can see straight over this top line, which is perfect, you know? So it's gonna be crazy, y'all, crazy. This is insane. I love this shield. Klock Werks Sport Flare 14-inch all the way. If you don't have one, you better get one. We're getting ready to do a test ride in a minute. Alright, y'all, we're getting ready to test out this Klock Werks 14-inch Sport Flare. I already like the looks of it. I think it's crazy insane. I like it, I like it, I like it. Dark smoke, y'all, 14-inch Klock Werks. Dark smoke. And this is the Sport Flare. Try this out and see how it's doing. All right, y'all, JP the Corvette Boys back here again. We just installed a beautiful 14-inch Sport Flare Klock Werks windshield on my Road Glide Special, and I gotta tell you, y'all, it is really something special. Get a load of this windshield, and it is the dark smoke. It is dark smoke, y'all. It's amazing, totally amazing. Big shout out to Klock Werks. They really did a good job on this windshield, y'all. I mean, it's in no way, shape, or form too big, or does it make the bike look bulky in any kind of way. The bike does not look bulky. It doesn't look like Chips, Punch and John from Chips. You know what I mean? In no kind of way. This is one bad windshield and dark smoke, y'all. I gotta tell you, and it does block the wind. I took a test ride out, and I'm out here just with a hoodie on and you know, a little face wrap because it's a little cold here in Jersey today. But I gotta tell you, look, no wind hit me like that. If I had the stock windshield on out here, I would be all jacked up, you know. So big shout out to the guys, y'all. Big shout out to Klock Werks for making this beautiful windshield on this bike. And just look how it looks. It's amazing, y'all. It's amazing. You understand? I was gonna do the 9-inch, but I'm happy I didn't do the 9-inch. I got the 14, y'all, and it looks bad. It's bad to the bone, believe me. And it's not too tall at all. This really complements the lines of the Road Glide, and it really adds to the bike. I mean, to me, it looks way better, you know, than the stock windshield. I suggest y'all check this out. You gotta check it out, y'all. This is insane. It's a little chilly in here in Jersey today, so what I did is just put a face wrap on the hoodie, just you know, testing this windshield out to see what it's all about. I mean, just look, y'all. Take a look. Look at it. You gotta realize, you know, the shield only comes to here. You know, it's not like it's up here. You know, then you get in the category what's a whole different ball game. You know what I mean? This is the 14-inch dark smoke. So get a good look and check it out. And I'll back away from the bike so you can see the beauty of it. You know what I mean? Oh yeah. Till next time, y'all, like, comment, subscribe, you know, share the video, because this windshield is mean. It's mean. It's a lot more peaceful behind the bike. I mean, a lot more peaceful now. It's just amazing of what it does, and I'm happy I put this on. Very happy I put this on there. Corvette boys, we're getting ready to get out of here, take it on back to the garage. Until next time, share and subscribe to videos, y'all. We are the Corvette boys. We got a lot of Corvette and Harley footage coming your way. Corvettes and Harley, baby, forever.